told you stories about the way I lived a life of a drifter, waiting for the day when I take your hand and sing you songs, and maybe you would say, come lay with me and love me, and I would surely stay. But I feel I'm growing older, and the songs that I have sung echo in the distance like the sound of a wheel going round. I guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune. Times have been a traveler, I look for something new. In days of old when nights were cold, I wandered without you. Those days I thought my eyes had seen you standing near. Though blindness is confusing, it shows that you're not here. Now I feel I'm growing older, and the songs that I have sung echo in the distance like the sound of a windmill going round. Guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune. I couldn't the sound of a windmill going round. Guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune. Guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune.
Dimm var nótt og dökk voru ský og dagur sem aldrei rann. Nú sálin þín flogin til himna farin, ég sorg minni lýsa kann. Ég sorg minni lýsa kann. Ég sé þig sonur í anda, standa mér enn við hlið. Þú var svo glaðvær og sterkur, gleðin sér lék okkur við. Hvort meir á mig lagt en aðra dauðlega menn, svipur þinn á mig sækir. Ég spyr þig Guð aftur og enn. Ég leita svara í orðvana spurn. Sonur minn, elsku sonur, af hverju þú? Því það var ég sem hefði átt að ganga á undan þér. yfir þessa brú.